In this video, we'll talk about the no-code data modeling aspect in Struct PIM. So let's find a product to work with. Let's go to our internal catalog and just find one of our clothing products. Let's say we want to work with this t-shirt. So as we can see, we're now on the editing workspace for this particular product, and it's the exact same experience we have no matter which t-shirt product that we have in this example. So everything we see here, all the properties, the fields, the tabs that we can use to divide the editing experience in, everything here is defined in a data model for this type of product. So let's just go to our settings, and right here we see the product structures option, and here we see that we have a bunch of different product structures created, so we can actually have a product structure that fits each of our different product types. In this case, we have our clothing structure right here, and if we go to model setup, we can see all the tabs that we had in the product editing experience. These are actually defined right here. So if we expand the tab, we get the sections, and if we expand the sections, we get the individual properties that this data model is based off of. And from here, we can easily drag and drop and reorder properties. We can easily add new properties to the list of properties. And we can even do things like copy or cut properties or entire sections or tabs even, and place them in other product structures altogether. So this is what we talk about when we say no-code data modeling, is the ability to build our product data without having to actually dig into coding ourselves. And just to sum up this topic, let's go back to our PIM area and find an entirely different product to work with. Let's go to our food and drinks and open up any of our wine products, because here we see that we actually have an entirely different setup for this type of product, which is a wine product. Here we have all the properties that are mostly relevant for wine products themselves. And just think about the possibilities here, because being able to customize the editing experience means that we can actually cut out much of the noise that would otherwise be associated if we had all the fields available for all different types of products at all times. So let's go and take a look at the product data model behind this product. We have the structure called wine right here. If we edit it and go to our model setup, we can see the entire setup of tabs and properties that are available for this product structure. And keep in mind that we could have any number of product structures in our system. Most of the cases, we can actually just settle with one product structure and just build it out intelligently using category-based attributes, instead of having to create unique product structures for each of our product types. But that's an entirely different topic in and of itself. So that's it on no-code data modeling in Struct PIM. Hope this makes a lot of sense, and make sure to watch some of our other feature highlight videos as well.